Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to download and install Fabric mods in Minecraft. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, I would like you to know that we only need three things. Okay, so first one is the Fabric mod loader. Type it down, Fabric or Fabric Minecraft. Click on the first search result, and then just go and click on download. Okay, so we need the universal jar. Click on it. Save on your desktop, and also the Fabric API. Click on it and save it on your desktop as well, but just go into files. Now make sure that you go ahead and select your game version. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and select 1.21.11 and in here as well. Also, do note about the mod loaders. Make sure that you select the mod loader as well. So click on the ones that you need right here, for example, the game version 1.21.11. Wait for the download page to pop up. I'm going to save on my desktop as well. And here we have it. Now we got two files in here. Lastly, we would need the mod. So where do we find it? So as you can see here, we are currently under CurseForge. Well, we can just go ahead over to Browse, Minecraft. Okay, and just look for whatever mods you'd like in here. Let's say I'm going to try to download a map. I'm going to hit on enter. And let's say I'm going to go ahead and download this one, Zero's Minimap. I'm going to click on it. Same thing, go ahead over to files and just make sure that all the versions are the same. And the mod loader as well. So since we're using Fabric, go ahead and select Fabric. Go ahead and download it. Hit on save. Now here we have three files. So first, go ahead and install the Fabric installer. Make sure that the Minecraft version is the same. Click on install. And once that's done, just click on OK. Close this one. Now you could go ahead and delete the Fabric installer. Now as you can see here, we still have two things. Now what we're going to do is just go ahead and open up Minecraft launcher. And the ones that loads, just go ahead over to Java Edition, installations, and here we have Fabric. So go ahead and open up the mods folder right here. Mods, double click, and then just drag the two. Alright, Fabric API as well as the mod. And then once that's done, just basically click on play right here under Fabric Loader as well. Wait for it to load. Now let's just go ahead over to a world. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and create a new world. And there you have it. Our mod is now loading. That's basically it. That is how you download and install Fabric mods in Minecraft. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.